Charles Butler. We're at the EAA Air Fly-In. I'm here with Scotty Crandallmeyer, a newfound friend, a new and conservative like me. And this is what happens when conservatives get together. This happens to me all over the world. Planes are flying over. Nia, get those planes. All right. This happens to be a Lance Air and Evolution, and it's one of the fastest planes, the world's fastest production plane.
Yes, it is for experimental.
Experimental, 300 knots, 300 knots an hour. It's amazing. But Scotty and I were talking about politics, Donald Trump, gay marriage, illegal immigration, and these are issues that resonate with all of us. I've never met this man before. I love this man. I hope we become very good friends because these are the kind. Don't ignore that in the background. That's all fake. It's not real. So that's why we're not running for cover.
ISIS is not here.
So, Scotty, share with the audience some of the things we talked about.
Well, we talked about the need for our leaders to speak their mind and not be sequestered, to capitulate to the lobbyists, to do what the people want, what we need, to not build projects, to give real, true solutions to a problem, to let free enterprise reign, and let free enterprise fix our problems.
That's right.
We talked about.
We talked about Trump. We talked about Bush. We talked about a number of different issues. But this is what Americans do. We should talk about politics and have discussions in the public discourse. There's no such thing as political correctness. What do you think about that, Scott?
Absolutely. The latest thing I heard is it's a undocumented American. We can't even say illegal. It started with alien, then it became illegal.
Undocumented worker.
Undocumented worker. Illegal immigrant.
Right.
That's now cool.
Right.
So it's now undocumented American.
I'm not saying that.
I'm not either. I'm not going there.
I'm not going there. And by the way, Bruce Jenner is Bruce Jenner.
Always will be Bruce. To me.
Always will be Bruce. Well, thank you.
Mom.
Thank you, America. We'll be back soon.
Watch this guy, Donald. If this gets to you, please bring him on the campaign. This guy can reach everybody. Get this to the Zone Nation guys. Get the team going. Let's educate people that need to hear what's really going on. Thank you for your service.
Thank you for your service, Scotty.
Way to go, guys. Way to go.
Thanks.
Okay. All right. Put this up.